Hey, welcome back to SimplySilly, and here's Ashwara. And as you asked for a detailed video on Ooty trip, so here it is. Let's start with the video. So let's start with the travel part first. So if you want to travel by train to Ooty, so you can't travel directly to Ooty by train because there is no station in Ooty. So you need to take the train till Mettupalayam, which is just 40 kilometers away from Ooty, and from there you can board a bus. The second option is you can book a cab, but you can't book it for one way because there's no Ola, no Uber in Ooty. So you need to pay for a round trip even if you book for one way. So if you really want for a round trip and go with the cab and come with it again, then you have to pay around 4 to 7,000 according to the days you want to stay in Ooty. And the third option is you can directly go by bus if you stay nearby. So I stay in Bangalore, and what I did was I booked a full AC sleeper SRS Travels bus through Redbus, and as I was the first user of Redbus, I got 200 off. So that means from Bangalore to Ooty, it cost me just 900 rupees per head. So we boarded a bus on Saturday at around 11:30 p.m. and reached there in Ooty at around 7 a.m. come to stays. So if you are going with your family, you can opt for Airbnb and book a villa in Ooty. Ooty is really beautiful. If you book a villa and stay there, it would be like you will be surrounded with whole mountains, green trees. It is like mesmerizing. What I did was I booked through Oyo Hotel Gaylord, which was just nearby around 200 to 300 meters from toy train station, and it was just 1 kilometer from Ooty Lake. So it was a great stay and the view was awesome, as you can see in the video. So you can go for Hotel Gaylord. It cost me around 1400 for a night stay. So our check-in was at around 12 and checkout was at around 11. But the hotel service was so good that they provided us a cloakroom to keep our luggage even after checkout, and also when we came after sightseeing and all, they gave us a room to get freshen up. Now come to places you can visit. So where I went, there was Nilgiri station nearby my hotel, and from there I booked a round trip from Udamangalam station to KT station. If you want to go to Kunnur, so you can book a ticket for a one-way trip from Udamangalam to Kunnur because the train doesn't come up hills from Kunnur. After reaching Kunnur, you have to travel back to Ooty through road. And one more thing, you can go on a round trip from Udamangalam to KT only on weekends because there is no round trip train on weekdays. So better to go to Ooty on weekends. The ticket cost is around 420 for first class and it was 320 for second class. There's no big difference between first class and second class, but the only thing you have to keep in mind is at the ticket counter, tell them to give you the right side seat of the train so that you can enjoy the view. In my case, what happened was I took a first class ticket and I got left side seat. The view on the right side of the train was much better than left side. So better to take right side seat than left side seat. So that was all about toy train. So after that we went for boating, but unfortunately we were late and around 6, all the ticket counters were closed, which we didn't know. If you want to go for boating, so you should reach there before 6, or I would say reach there till 4. So let's come to next day. So next day we went to chocolate factory and tea factory. So chocolate factory and tea factory are together. So we went there. It's on the route of Doda Beta Peak. After the tour of tea factory, they give you a ginger tea, a cup of ginger tea. The ticket just cost 20 rupees for both. So you don't have to buy a new ticket for a chocolate factory. So it's just rupees 20, and if you are carrying a camera, then you have to pay 10 rupees extra. So just nearby tea factory there was one Eagle Days. So in Eagle Days you can go for many adventures like bungee jumping, bungee swing, zip lining and wall climbing. So there are various varieties of adventures you can go for. So I went for zip lining, which cost me around 500, and it was really great. It was my first zip lining, so obviously it was special for me. They also provided me with a photograph, me doing zip lining. So you can see that photograph on my Instagram at the rate SimplySilly26. So now come to next thing. So what we missed the other day, we were definitely not going to miss this day. So yeah, we went to Ooty Lake and did boating. It was around 80 or 100 rupees for self paddle boat, and they have different prices for different boats. So, and also with that price they take some amount of deposit from you, which they will return after you come back from boating. And after boating we went to Thread Garden. So there's a story about Thread Garden, is that it took around 12 years to make the whole garden, and the speciality about this garden is everything from leaf, petals till plant, and the whole garden is made up of thread. The entry ticket for this garden is just rupees 20. After the tour of whole garden, they also have a shop where you can actually buy those plants made up of threads, and it is starting from 200 rupees to 2000 rupees and beyond. So finally what we missed was Avalanche Lake and Doda Beta Peak, because there was some construction going on and road was blocked. Yeah, this was all about Ooty trip. Tell me if you want to know something else which I by mistake or I haven't mentioned in this video. Do write in the comment box below, and yeah, subscribe me for more such videos. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye. Stay cool, stay silly. Bye 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 bye.